Alright guys, we're going to be doing a little bit of a video today on this rifle that I built, chambered for the little itty bitty 32 Smith & Wesson Long. So I've got some loads comprising of 2 grains of Hodgdon Promo and a 50 grain lead round ball and a CCI number 500 primer. So we're going to take some shots and see how we do. So here's where we're shooting from, and I'm just going to zoom in here on those cans. They're over on that berm, and we're going to try and get some contact. That's about as far as they'll go. So I'm going to try and do this next to the camera, try and get in frame, get a cartridge, put it in. And I'll just do a few shots from here. Got it? I hit it. I know what that sound means. Oh, shell stuck for a second. Smacked the part with the water in it. Well, 2 shots, 2 hits. I'll try for a third. I don't see why not. Worst it can do is either miss or go through the bullet hole in the cans that I just made. But yeah, this is definitely a very nice little setup that I have. And I'm just using a 7.62 by 39 barrel, and it's shooting the 32 Smith & Wesson Long just fine, even with the light 30 grain or light 50 grain round ball. So it's 313 diameter, and I shaved a little bit of lead when I put it in the case. And it is very, very quiet too, and that's something I like. I hit it. Okay, let's check it out. So we were shooting from over here all the way down there, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So about 38 yards, maybe 38 and a half we'll call it. So I can see I could see the bullets flying, and it looked like they were going dead center. That's where I hit it the second time. And I'm not sure where the third shot went. Alright guys, so all the way over there we have a white flyer box with a shoot and see that's about 2.5 inches on it, maybe 2 inches, and we're going to try and shoot at it. And I'll put you guys here, and I'll just shoot 5 rounds. Now the extractor on this is kind of sticking on me, so they have to stop and dick around with it. But I'll just do 5 rounds, see what I can do with it. Still got a few bugs to work out, but this is with the 50 grain round ball and the 2 grains of Promo. Slight cross breeze. Oh, I see where it hit. Come on. See, it's sticking. That's just kind of what happens when it gets dirty. And all I need to do is just polish the chamber. I can just poke at it right now, get it out. I'll show you how I did that. I added a little feature to my gun for when that happens, that I can just use a knife to get it out. Try and make sure I'm nice and in frame here. You can see my ugly face. Let's see where that hit. Third torpedo. Looks like it hit the top of the box. I'm not going to be a bitch and make excuses, because that's for the liberal. And I'm definitely not a liberal. I didn't vote for Obama. Maybe it didn't hit the top of the box and it's just the slow, light bullets are just knocking the box around or something. So wood kick up, which means I probably hit low. Yeah, I think the accuracy might have dropped off. Let me restart and I'll just shoot 5 more rounds. Well, we have just 5 more rounds, so I'm just going to shoot them up and see how terrible I can do. Be Mr. Pessimistic asshole. Being an asshole is what I'm good at. I can see the little bullets flying. They're little 50 grain torpedoes. Touched off by a CCI primer and a little bit of powder. That went really low, but luckily there's a few miles of field behind me. Or behind the backstop. Get that one out. They're sticking. They're sticking good. So we're safe. I'm just being an asshole. Not keeping on target. I'm hitting really low. I'm not even hitting the damn box. Okay, so I'm going to shoot a little bit high. I think that these are just so dirty. I mean, the bore is pretty foul. I'm seeing lead. No, I don't know if that's lead. I'll just put an annotation later if there's leading. That hit the box. Makes that sound. Number 5. Nice. Nice. What a cute little gun. Well, let's go see how I did. Okay, here's the box, and I did nick it on the top like I suspected. And got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that looks... No, that's not a bullet hole. I did hit this. Looks like right there. Oh, right there. There's one of the balls. It only embedded a little bit far in there. I think I need to step up my velocity just a little bit or use heavier bullets. But this isn't really a new concept, 32 from a rifle. I mean, I certainly hit these guys. This one and that one. That one I hit from back there. I was just using 98 grain bullets and I didn't have any more for when I made the video, so I don't know what to do. I guess it's just a kind of shit out of luck. Well, there you have it, folks, and nifty little gun. A lot of fun to shoot. Pretty inaccurate with those little round balls, so that kind of sucked, but I really cannot complain. It was a lot more accurate with the heavier bullets, and I did even fire some 32 long Colt out of it, and I got some split cases, but It actually, I was shooting at the berm way over there, and it was fun pulling the trigger and seeing the little bullet fly out and then kick up dust. I mean, and I did fire some shots at a box like that with the 38 long or 32 long Colt. I actually got 2 of them on there, not on that particular box, but it was neat because they actually stabilized. I wouldn't thought, but I mean, they are hollow base round nose, so and very old, so who knows. But there you have it. Small pistol cartridges make great small game rifle cartridges, and we're going to do a chapter 2 on this because these are a lot of fun to shoot out of a rifle. A lot of fun. And well, I figured I was getting that little pipsqueak dirty. I should get out my 1100 and just fire a few shots just because it's a pretty cool shotgun. Alright, I got you guys sitting on the bench, so I'm going to have to crouch down, put a shell in the chamber, close it. It'll hold 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 rounds in the hillbilly shotgun. Let's shoot. Jammed on the last one. Sweet Remington 1100 Phi. Look at that. And this is the bicentennial model. Ain't she purty? Look at that. Pretty gun. Pretty gun. Well, thank you for watching, folks, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to do a chapter 2 to my 32 rifle over there, and hopefully get some better bullets. I'm going to order a Lee mold. I think either a 98 grain or a 100 grain lead round nose, and I'm going to cast those instead of dropping these little itty bitty round balls. So take it easy and have a nice day. Bye bye now.